Just west of Wisconsin 35 between Somerset and Osceola is a great little road. That road is Rustic Road 103. Rustic Road 103 is just under 3 miles and it's right on the border of St. Croix and Polk counties in Wisconsin. It runs through the town of Somerset in St. Croix County and the town of Farmington in Polk County. What I like about this rustic road is that it's a mixture of pavement and gravel, and it turns to gravel right about here. Be sure to take the time to jump off to the historic Somerset Landing. It's a river access point on the St. Croix National Scenic Riverway. It's a really cool place to go for a walk, bring the family, walk the dogs, or just take some really great winter pictures. As you can see, it's a great place to go play with the family. Back to pavement. What's nice about Rustic Road 103 is it's just not that far off of Wisconsin 35, and it's really short. It's not a long commitment to ride or drive or whatever. So it's definitely worth checking out the next time you find yourself between Somerset and Osceola, Wisconsin.